today I'm back with another haul video, and today I'm gonna so this is the Eye Flash UV protection. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rupali and I hope you all are doing great. So today I'm back with another haul video, and today I'm gonna do an Amazon haul video. मैंने again काफ़ी सारा products खरीदा है Amazon से. मैं काफ़ी सारा products खरीदती रहती हूँ Amazon से, and I'm gonna share all of them with you guys. So we have a combination of products here, like from makeup products, food items and electronic gadgets and many such things. So if you're interested to see what all I got from Amazon, please keep on watching, and also do subscribe to my channel if you still haven't, and also press the notification tab just right next to it. And yeah, like this video, and now let's move into the video. So the first product that I have today is an electronic gadget, and it's a much loved item and a much wanted item. So it is the Motorola Escape 210 over-ear Bluetooth headphones with Alexa. So फिलहाल मेरे पास Alexa है नहीं, but जब भी होगा, I think this will be one useful thing. So yeah, this is the box that it came in, and this is the product. So Motorola का electronic gadgets बहुत ही अच्छा होता है, and the price of this one was $14.75 after discounts. So this I'm planning to pair up with my laptop, and yeah, this is the first product that I got. Coming to the second product is again an electronic gadget, and this was a gift for my father. So he just had his birthday on 3rd July, so I had gifted him this. So it is a Bode AirDots 281 Bluetooth truly wireless earbuds with mic. So this has two colors, and I personally am having this blue color one. And I have gifted my father this one. This is, I'll attach a photo here. This is a black and red one. It looks gorgeous, and I am using this since the last 6 months. ये काफ़ी अच्छा है, and for the price it's very nice. It costed me rupees 1599 again, which is a very good deal. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll complete all the electronic gadgets first and move to the next items. So the next item that I got is for my work purpose. So if you guys don't know, I'm an interior designer, and हम लोगों को तो measuring tape लगता ही लगता है. So I just invested in a good quality Bosch का लेजर डिस्टेंस मेजरर. ये 40 मीटर्स का है. आई डोंट नो, ये काफ़ी सारे लोगों को आई थिंक कुछ बेनिफिट में नहीं होगा, फिर भी मैं दिखाना चाहती थी. सो दिस इज एन इन्वेस्टमेंट यू गाइज. सो दिस केम फॉर ₹3836, एंड आई थिंक दिस विल वर्क वंडर फॉर माई जॉब. इट मेक्स अ जॉब सो ईजी. मतलब मेजरिंग टेप में मेजर करने से बहुत टाइम लग जाता था मेरा मेजरमेंट एग्जीक्यूटिव को, एंड दिस हैज मेड माई लाइफ सो ईजी. The next item that I have is an eatable, and it is a 4700 rupees का government popcorn. इसका बहुत सारे variations आता है, but the one I got is mocha walnut chocolate, and it comes in a tin packaging like this, which looks very very cute. It is very sturdy, और प्राइस में भी बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत ही सस्ता है. It is only 186 rupees, you guys. You must try this on if you haven't still. थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा मीठा है you guys, but जब मुझे sweet cravings होता है ना, this is perfect for that time. Next, let's move to some coffee mug. So I got this coffee mug. It is a ceramic coffee mug with lid and spoon. It looks so good, you guys, but आज जब I was taking out the सामान for the shoot, I broke the lid. Yeah. So this comes with a golden spoon like this, and it's very aesthetically pleasing, you guys. I just keep it on my study desk. It looks very pleasing. I have not yet used it, but I don't feel like using it also. It looks so good. So इसमें एक flamingo भी draw किया गया है, so it looks very nice, you guys. I'll just give you a small सामने का view. और इसका प्राइस था 449 रुपीज़ ओनली. और नेक्स्ट वाला जो आइटम है वो है ग्लास मेसन जार विथ लीड एंड स्ट्रॉ भी था एक, जो आई थिंक इज इन द किचन. सो यही पोल्का डॉट्स वाला ही स्ट्रॉ था इसमें, एंड दिस इज 500 ml वाला जार, विच इज परफेक्ट फॉर व्हेन यू वांट टू हैव स्मूदी और कोल्ड कॉफी. दिस वन इज अ परफेक्ट वन. मेसन जार वो वैसे भी बहुत ट्रेंड में है. इट लुक्स वेरी pleasing when you keep it in the kitchen racks, and yeah, what more to say about mason jars. This next wala again a coffee mug cum glass tumbler hai, which I have gifted to my son. This one, and it comes with a lid and a straw. So this is I think 300 ml 420 ml ऐसा कुछ का मतलब है इसमें. Yeah, so it is a 420 ml thing. So इसमें कार्टून कैरेक्टर जैसा prints है, and this looks very nice. It is very sturdy, and yeah, again you can have smoothies with this and all that. Next I have some straws. These are the reusable stainless steel straws and इसमें 4 straws आता है और एक ब्रश आता है जिससे आप straw clean कर सकते हो and इसमें 2 आते हैं जो straight straws है and 2 थोड़ा सा bend आता है for your cold coffee and all that stuffs. This is a very good investment you guys because it makes your life so easy. You don't have to buy many straws and keep it, so we just use this and yeah. And the price of this one was rupees 199. So all the products links will be given in the description box below. Make sure to check that out. And now let's move on to the next product. So now I have sunglasses. So this is the Eye Flash UV Protection Octagonal Men's and Women's Sunglass and this is how the packaging looks like. It is very reasonably priced. It costed me only 199. It comes in a sturdy box packaging and this is how the sunglass looks like. It is a golden and black colored combination which is octagonal in shape and yeah, this is how I look when I wear this. I love this shape and pattern. इससे पहले मैंने octagonal sunglasses नहीं खरीदा है. I just wanted to try, so I bought a random very cheap one. And the next item are some bath loofahs, natural bath loofahs. This comes in a package of 4 and ये बहुत ही अच्छा होता है guys. This लूफा हम लोग नॉर्मल जो लूफा यूज़ करते हैं उसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या होता है, वो स्क्रब नहीं करते आपके स्किन को. So I use it every alternative days with my liquid body wash because this scrubs the skin and makes it so nice and supple and soft. So it comes in a package of 4 and it costed me rupees 197. The next product I have are some intimate wipes and this comes in a package of 4. This is from the brand PSIF and these are the natural intimate wipes which contains tea tree oil and lactic acid. इसका pH है 3.5 and एक पैकेट में 10 wet wipes आता है. So this is perfect for intimate areas, you guys. All women out here should invest in this kind of things. The next item that I got is what I recommend you guys to buy if you have sensitive and pimple prone skin like me. So this is the Urban Yog acne pimple patch and this has 36 dots in it. 12 pieces 12 mm का आता है और 24 pieces 8 mm का आता है. So I have opened it and I have started using it also. I'll just show you how this looks like. So क्या करना होता है is wherever you get like cystic pimples like this, you just have to put a patch and keep it overnight and the pimple dries out. And what it does is it just sucks out the gunk and dirt from the pimple and leaves it totally dry till the morning. So इसका single packet मैंने लिया था. This costed me rupees 348. You can buy a pack of 2 also which will cost you rupees 617. So इसमें hydrocolloid होता है जो पिंपल को पूरा absorb कर लेता है and it keeps it dry. So next I got this 24 pieces Vixen का matte finish French tip black false nails. ये fake nails है, press on nails है. This comes in a packet of 24 pieces. So and it also comes with a nail glue. So these are the nails and I have already today only I have done this nails. So क्या ही बोलूँ इसके बारे में. It comes off but if you have a special occasion and you don't want to go for permanent nails, so I think this is a very good option. थोड़ा सा आपको ये वाला glue मैं ज़्यादा यूज़ नहीं करती हूँ because I have the other kind of glue जो nail polish की तरह होता है, वो application में भी easy होता है and it sticks on for longer time also. तो इसमें बहुत सारे color variations है जो red है and I am planning to buy all of them by the way. So this was a black one and very happy with the nails that I got right now. The next item that I have is a night suit, cotton ka night suit, and it is from the brand Masha Women's Clothing, and this costed me only 832 rupees, and it is a big, it is a half sleeve shirt and full trouser which is cotton, and my size is L and it fits me quite nicely. The material is very soft and very nice. इसमें भी बहुत सारे कलर ऑप्शंस आपको मिल जाता है, जैसे कि ऑलिव में मिल जाता है, रेड में मिल जाता है, blue में मिल जाता है. You can try them out. I just got this one. And the next and the last item is my favorite one. It is the magnetic eyelashes from the brand Kala Lace. I hope I pronounced it correct. And this is the packaging that it came in. It came in a package of 3 false magnetic eyelashes, and I'll just open it and show you guys. So इसमें 3 magnetic eyelashes है, एक applicator है and एक eyeliner टाइप का है जिसमें I think iron particles रहता है जिससे the magnet thing works. So the price of this one was Rs 680, and I think this is a very good investment for people who are, you know, a little amateur for the other kind of eyelashes. I have personally not tried it yet, but I have heard very good reviews about it. So let's see how this works. Follow me on Instagram to know how this works. I'll give you a proper tutorial there. And now here comes the end of the video. I hope you like this video, and if you have, then please put a big fat thumbs up. Also, the links to every of the product that I have shown today is in the description box below. Make sure to check this out, and also subscribe to my channel, and also press the notification tab, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care, love you, bye bye.